so you just saw my results of drinking a gallon of water a day for a week. And I'm sure you have a few questions, and hopefully I'm going to answer those right now. And the number one question I know that people probably have is, did I change my diet? Well, I didn't really do anything to change my diet. In fact, I actually ate just a little bit more. Normally I skip breakfast, but I hate drinking water on an empty stomach, so I decided to start eating breakfast. I'd have just a couple eggs in the morning, and then I'd drink my water. But overall, I still ate the same. I ate whatever that I wanted to eat. I didn't really do anything to change my diet, though I can't say for sure that the amount that I ate didn't change, just for the simple fact that I was drinking so much water, my stomach was full. I may have eaten a little less than normal. I didn't really think about it. I just kind of ate till I was full, and then I was done. So overall, I didn't try to do anything to change my diet, and if my diet was changed in any way, it just happened to be because the effects of drinking so much water, I wasn't quite as hungry. But overall, I think that I ate just about the same as what I normally would. The next question I know you may have is, when did I weigh myself? Well, I weighed myself every day at the same exact time, 6:15 in the morning. I get up, go to the bathroom, weigh myself, and those were my results. And as you can see, I started to drop weight almost immediately. Even though they were little amounts, every day I consistently started to drop a little bit of weight. Now, I don't know if this would go on forever, but definitely in the beginning, I was able to lose about 4 pounds in this last week just from drinking more water. Another question you may have is, how many times do you have to go to the bathroom when you drink a gallon of water a day? Well, I kept track, and it was about 18 to 20 times per day, and that's really the biggest downfall of this, is you go to the bathroom so much. I mean, sometimes I would go, and then I'd have to go again 10 minutes later. I was just drinking so much dang water. I thought when I first started this challenge, there was no way I'm going to be able to do this. This is a lot of water, and drinking a gallon of water a day when you're not used to it, it takes a lot of work. But by day 4, it was actually pretty easy, and I was able to have a half gallon probably down within 2 hours after waking up. It really wasn't a big deal, and it just became pretty easy. A couple of other benefits I noticed: my skin seemed to improve. It actually started to get a little more clear. I don't have a lot of acne to begin with, but I thought that it started to look a little clear, and actually had a little bit of a glow to it. And another benefit that I noticed was actually that when I would go to the bathroom, it actually made me more regular. It made going to the bathroom number 2 a lot easier. Also, I noticed when I woke up in the morning, I didn't feel quite so tired. I actually felt like I had a little more energy, and that was a little surprising because I've actually gotten a little less sleep this week than normal just because of some other circumstances, but I'd wake up every morning feeling pretty refreshed. And the final benefit I noticed is actually I do a lot of work with my hands, and sometimes my hands can get a little bit stiff, but this last week, my hands have felt so good. All this water must have really lowered the inflammation, and that was another benefit that I really did notice. So you're probably wondering, am I going to continue to do a gallon of water a day? Absolutely. I didn't think at all that I'd be able to do this, but now that I've been doing it, I've realized how many benefits there are to it. And I don't know if you necessarily need to drink a gallon of water a day, but definitely drinking a lot of water a day really makes a huge difference. Overall, I thought this was an excellent step to just moving closer to getting a healthier lifestyle. And it's pretty easy to do. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one.